In the 007 remix that I did in the main video of this playlist, there are two sounds which I combined to make a pad type of sound in the background of the remix. Since these are fairly simple sounds that I used here, I will just show you a few things that I used from these two sounds to make a nice pad based on both additive and granular synthesis. The first sound that I used is based on additive synthesis. What that means is that this sound will be composed of pure sine waves, which are then filtered and modulated to create a fairly basic but nice sound. By the way, this sound was originally designed by Simon Gallifet. I will use this sound as the intro or the attack of the pad I want to create with another sound which will bring the texture of a pad sound. When we play this first sound, you'll see that it's made out of two additive engines. Let's listen to them separately and then together, but watch the vertical lines in the harmonic window. They show the harmonics or the sine waves that the sound is using. The modulations and the effects that Simon designed for this sound are exactly what I was looking for as an introduction to the final pad that I wanted to play. Now, the second sound that I use, which was designed by Victor Morello, is using granular synthesis. As I've shown you in various videos in this playlist, granular synthesis consists in taking small chunks of an audio sample and playing them in more or less orderly fashion. Here we'll see a basic but very interesting effect of granular synthesis to play a looped sample. Let's first listen to it. As you can see, the sound is made of two engines. The second engine just adds a low-pitched note which adds depth to the sound. But let's focus on the first engine sound. It's based on a sample too, and if we listen to that sample without granular effect, we'll hear kind of a loop which is kind of annoying because it's a boring, repeating sound. Listen. The reason why we are hearing this loop effect is because we're playing again and again from the same position in the sample, hence the loop effect. But if we add granularity, this will add randomness in the parts of the sound that we're using, but we'll still get the same feeling with the sound itself without the nasty loop effect anymore. And that's something very important to keep in mind when you design sounds. Listen to the effect of granularity. No more loop. And now all we have to do is to combine these two sounds that I just talked about, the one using additive synthesis and this last one with granular synthesis, and we get a nice pad which does exactly what I was looking for.